Hi Mom, my name is Anton. Oh, hi family. This is Stevie there. Today I'm gonna show you how to make peanut butter squares. My ingredients for my dad's kind of favorite things. This is vanilla, peanut butter, and coconut oil, marshmallows, and chocolate chips. So we have to put the marshmallows in the freezer. So I'm gonna go put it in the freezer. We're gonna use Mommy's special pot to take a block of it. I need to dunk my hand in there. And wait, now we're gonna put it up and I might just grab one of them and then eat one. It's all fell on the floor. What do we need next, family? Tell me. And next is brown color coconut oil. Flat it down. Next is 1 cup of peanut butter. Delicious. After mixing it is delicious.
Just a little bit.
Let's just. Oh, 1 second. Oh. We should put on the stove and make. Now how long do we put it on? Mommy! My dad's favorite one. It's kind of sketchy. Why did it come with a stone? So it keeps growing and growing. Wait a minute, it's kind of working. Why is it? It worked. It kind of looks like a whole big volcano made of chocolate, but one is made out of chocolate. My mom's holding it. See it. Okay, looks kind of yummy again. Don't forget the marshmallows. Okay, and how do we open this? Mommy, can you help me open this? Now I have to empty the whole thing. Put it out. Thanks. Lovely. Now you need to put it in the fridge. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn the bell. And follow my Instagram right down here. I love you all so much. And I'll see you all in the next video. Oh, sticky, sticky. Who ate all the marshmallows? There's only one. Okay. Ugh. Tasty. The spice is so sweet. It's so yummy, but it's you who ate all the marshmallow family. But still delicious. I hope Dad likes it. Yum, yum, yum.